Alright, so I'm going to attempt to show something interesting on this MacBook Air. This MacBook screen got some liquid damage, and the liquid actually got caught underneath the screen, and that's why it has all these little color things. So these are actually the air pockets, and then this is the water that's trapped. So if you get two pieces of plastic and you get water underneath, it'll basically look like this, and that's what's going on. This kind of stuff, I've heard that it goes away on its own after some time if you're patient. I'm running a heater on it, but I did notice one thing. I heated it too hot and the pixels were going black. Luckily, when you turn the heat off, if it happens, I'll show you, but if you turn the heat off and then let it cool back down, the pixels will actually recover themselves. But you don't want to heat it too high, because if you do, then you can probably cause permanent damage to the screen, so just be careful with that. I think on some Jerry Rig Everything videos I've seen where he'll heat some devices with a lighter and then basically the same thing happens. But this, I'm just using a little heater, if you can hear the fan blowing. So far the screen is looking okay. Last time what I did was I heated the back first to try and warm it up, and then I started heating the front, but right now it looks like it's okay. It's not having any issues, so we'll just leave it to heat it up. But yeah, if you're gonna heat it to try and help evaporate the water or the moisture, you want to kind of stay and keep an eye on it, because if it starts going black, you're gonna want to pull the heat source away. You don't want the screen to get too hot that it can cause permanent damage. So right now it's not having any issues. Let's see here. Looks like it's okay. I kind of wanted to show what happens because it looked kind of interesting, where I was a little bit worried. If the screen does go damaged, I might have to replace it. I mean, it is already kind of bad. These screens are pretty pricey. I don't know this specific, it's a MacBook Air. I think they're probably run close to $300, so hopefully it won't get damaged and need to be replaced. But we're still heating it, nothing's happening. Looks like it's okay. It's probably because last time I heated it from the back first, so I think if you're heating it from the front, it looks like it's not as big of a deal. It's getting pretty hot to the touch now, so we'll see. But yeah, you can see the water made all this weird uneven coloring. So yeah, I was hoping to show you the weird pixel fading out and everything, but it looks like it's not happening, so we'll just leave it and hope the moisture slowly goes away. If it happens, I'll give it another minute or so and see if anything happens, but so far nothing's happening. It looks okay. Oh, it might be starting to happen. Okay, so you can see on that hill where it's kind of like going darker here. So that's what happens. You can see the pixels are going black because they're getting too hot to run normally. So if you turn off the heat, let's pull the heat away. Here you can see it goes back to normal, the color's back. So that's pretty nice. I don't know if they did that by design or that's just how the pixels work. When they get too hot, they can't function properly. But yeah. So hopefully if you guys have this liquid damage, hopefully this saved you guys from screwing up your screen. Just let it evaporate naturally. Some people say don't you have to heat it up to get the moisture out. Technically no, it does speed up the process, but as you can see, you might damage your screen. The best way to do it is if you have a dry, warm area to put the computer, and that will help get the moisture out. But because it's sealed pretty well, they put like adhesive all around the whole thing, it will take a very long time for the moisture to just slowly evaporate. But anyways, again, hopefully this video helped you guys, prevent you from damaging your computer. You don't want to put really high heats on it. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so others can find these videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.